We've got Rob, who's my colleague, who's going to be talking throughout the day, over the weekend. And of course we've got John and Martin, who's going to be filling in between when we have a break. So it's got questions, questions long and answers, and we're trying to think in the right direction. If you don't know the model, the only model, just the questions, and we'll try and answer your questions. Good morning, traders. Welcome. Again, this year, thank you for coming in. We hope you have a very successful weekend. And enjoy the day. Yeah, so we've got Blades of Thunder here. This is Paul Bennett on the left of you guys along the Jet Thunder. It's actually a long running jet. 6 weeks. We've got about 6 hours. Pointing down over the river now. And down the other end, we've got another jet ranger flying. And then we've got 2 guys coming up behind here who's going to be flying pod and booms, and they'll be doing some acrobatic flying actually, what they call HC-X2 Pro. And that's basically where they throw the helicopter around with the various different maneuvers, where they can do inversions, flying, rolls, loops, and all that type of stuff. That's really the helicopter to do. But because of the setup, you're able to do that. So you have a positive and negative pitch, and able to use the helicopter to maintain its head speed and be able to do those maneuvers. So at the moment we've got some scale stuff, and I've got a jet ranger just flying now, pointing down to right on the far end side there. He's doing a figure of 8. So here's now basic to the left, and he comes down into the wind. So depending on the rotation of the blade, that actually causes it to rise and fall and go to the wind direction. This is quite lucky today, because it's actually not a lot of wind going on, so it's really nice, perfect position. Paul Bennett is flying the white one now. It's a lovely young lady sitting in there as well. And he made that himself, 3D printed it. And with the technology today, you can 3D print almost anything. Most guys that are doing scale helicopters tend to create their own stuff or 3D print their own stuff and then paint it and so forth. So the helicopter is one of the hardest aviation aircraft to fly because you've got forward, backwards, left, right, up, down, as opposed to a plane with a forward movement. But having said that, seeing some of the guys that fly here today with their aircraft over the year completely break that in the business because they do some amazing flying you just would not believe. You know, it's nice air using God knows what else. Well, we'll go for it and you'll see the guys flying. Absolutely incredible. You alright, Robert?
I am. I was just interrupting with some of the cars.
Are they okay?
Oh, they seem they're saying quite busy today, which is a good thing, and I think it is quite busy.
I think it's going to be a lovely day, he said. So, it's a busy thing, so I mean, it's a bit different. It looks good. You've got some drones going up there a little bit later, and what we call the global racing drones, and they're going to follow Adam Williams at the Chinese stuff later, and they're going to take him, so it's going to have a strong race. Did you know the speak to John about it?
I just think we've got about 2 technical difficulties.
No.
Doesn't want to bother him yet.
Well, all I understand is that the guy that was originally going to do it now dropped out for the moment. He's the last minute replacement, so they're going to go in there with the drone and he's having a technical hit. I think he's going to be trying to judge stuff like that with Adam, and he's been following him around a little bit, and I believe.
I think we can, if they do live stream that, it will be brilliant.
It'll be really impressive.
Yeah, it will be on YouTube, and we'll find out.
Well, talking about YouTube, as you were saying, we've got Dominic there from Martin Central Arcade. He'll be streaming stuff as well. We've got a few other people recording as we go down the line. So maybe some of the card lines will be able to smarten themselves up. It would be nice. That would be nice, because, you know, it's just like in there every weekend, isn't it? I mean, we've got a lot of flights out there. Not really. So that's Paul Bennett down from Blades of Thunder on his Long Ranger and Jet Ranger, and the other guy. Now we're going to get the 3D pilots up, and they're going to give the blast on how to do things that shouldn't be done with the aircraft. So we've got a T-Rex 500 here. Is that a success going in that one?
500X. No pardon? 6S, 5.
So